Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna walk through how to apply a tourist visa to Liberia. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply a visa of any kind for any country, the very first thing we should check is, do we really need visa? Because based on our nationality, purpose, duration, and some other factors, including holding visas of other countries, we may or may not need a visa. And once you determine that you need a visa, always check the requirements at the official site um, of the embassy, consulate, or any official entity that uh, covers your region. Because based on your region, there could be additional steps, documents, fee, etc. All right, so let's say if you are in USA, so I have opened this Embassy of the Republic of Liberia in the United States. They have this consular section. Here you can go and click on visa. They have given the address. It's in Washington. Okay. All right. So what are the things you need? Visa application form. Okay. Passport for your passport. You need to submit passport. Okay. And you should have at least 6 months left before expiration, like 6 months of validity. Two passport size photograph. Okay. Flight itinerary. This is a very common requirement. Self-address prepaid UPS envelope with tracking number for return of passport. Okay. Failure to include all items will delay. Okay. A notarized letter from parent guardian. Okay, that is for minor. Now processing time 10 working days. Uh, okay. All right. So there's an additional fee of $75 for same day service and 50 for next day service. So they have some expedited processing too. All right. They So we have got it. Okay. The documents very simple, like self-address envelope, fee, passport, two passport size photograph, flight attendant, return ticket. That's it, and letter if required. All right. So we know fee and other things, how it goes. Okay, fine. Now let's go through the form. Okay, visa requirements. Photo we know. All right. Complete application form. Okay, visa fee. Now fee, how are you gonna pay? No cash or personal check, non-refundable. Via money order, cashier check, or bank draft made payable to Embassy of Liberia. Okay. All application of minor has to be accompanied by. Okay, fine. They have given the reason why your application can be refused anyway. Now fee for US citizen, this is the fee. ECOWAS citizen, no visa required. All other, why they have like so much for US citizen, but it's for 1 year, right? Okay, service fee, same day, next day if you opt for here. So photograph here, personal information, they just have got your name, contact, passport, and but your contact in Liberia too. Passport information, travel information, type of visa. You need to select date of travel, purpose of trip, date of last visit, time spent. Okay. Signature of applicant, person. This is for official use, so do not worry about it. And then it can be applied. You can send by mail or you can drop off also over there. So that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.